Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new class in the Quizlet flashcard and homework application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the library button at the bottom of the page, and then just click on the classes button and then click on the plus sign at the top of the page on the right. So first you have to set a class title and then any additional information that you might want to provide. And here you can allow class members to add sets and invite people, or you can disable it. So just click on the white circle to edit it and then click on the save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.